us, the only thing that they will never forget is how you made them feel. And how you made them feel comes in as a fruit of your actions. Now, the fruit of your actions are directed by your heart. Your heart is telling you, do the right thing. Your mind is telling you, just focus on the goal. Your mind might tell you, the end justifies the mean, but your heart is telling you, help whoever will need help. And those kind of actions that our hearts are urging us to do are what makes us give a positive impact in people's lives. I honestly would like to shout out to one of our classmates who is not here today, Tinenyasha. She left a legacy, not only for us, but also for those who are coming back. She was very competitive. Very competitive. She gave everything she had. And the reason as to why we remember her, the reason as to why we keep her as a treasure to our heart is due to the actions that she did. It does not have to be something big. It does not have to be something majestic. As long as you can say something from your heart to help another person, then you're making a change, you're making a difference, and you're going to be remembered for what's good. Dear classmates, you might forget everything that I say right now. You might forget every single thing in this very moment. But I pray to God that as we're moving forward, the legacy that we're leaving behind will be a legacy to be remembered. A legacy to be taken as an example for those who are coming after us. And as we go in the next season of our lives, let us make sure that wherever we step in, whatever season we're going in, we make sure to give a positive impact in people's lives. The only reason I will remember Madame Diana is due to her heart. She used to understand all of us. And no matter how stressed she was there for all of us. And it was directed by her heart and not her mind. Will you follow your heart? Will you follow your mind? It goes to you. Before I finish this very moment, I would like to thank you for your time. Thank you for those who listened. Somebody told me, my parents told me, that one word is enough for a wise man. And I believe that all of us sitting here were wise because this is Madame Mary. Yes, we are. Thank you. Last but not least, let's not try to limit the impact of our actions. We might do something small, but the impact might overflow, and that's the beauty of it. Don't you think so? I might say hi to you and make you remember that God is with you, and it will make you feel confident, make you do whatever you have to do, and that impact will never be forgotten. It will never be erased, because what is from the heart reaches the heart, and what is in the heart will never be forgotten. I hope you remember me, not as somebody who made you cry, not as somebody who said something negative to you, but as somebody who has been there for you. Hi, Stefan. And as I am leaving this stage, before I finish, I would like all of you to know that I will never forget you. You'll always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I will remember you to the day I'll die. And I will never want much more, 'cause in my heart I will always be sure that I will never forget you. You will always be by my side till the day I die. God bless you.
On applaudit fort, on applaudit fort, on applaudit fort. J'aimerais un peu donner une conclusion. Marie, tu peux attendre? On n'a pas bien applaudi, n'est-ce pas? Je pense que c'est parce qu'il y a des Français qui n'ont pas entendu. Congratulations. J'aimerais un peu donner une petite conclusion. Est-ce qu'il y a les parents de cette belle fille ici? À part nous, à Madame Mary. Est-ce qu'il y a les parents? S'il vous plaît, levez-vous, on va vous honorer. On va faire comment? En tout cas, les jaloux ici vont mourir. On va honorer les parents. Vous pouvez approcher? Hein? Wouh! Pardon, cabine, attendez-moi un peu. Allons doucement. Dites à ton voisin, allons doucement. On va honorer le ventre qui a pris cette jeune fille. Le dos qui a pris cette jeune fille. Est-ce que tout parent n'aimerait pas mettre au monde une fille pareille? Franchement parlant, est-ce que tout parent n'aimerait pas prendre une fille pareille? On applaudit très fort pour l'éducation. Pourquoi j'ai fait ça? J'ai demandé au professeur qui était là, je lui ai demandé, est-ce que vous avez aidé à écrire le speech? Le prof a dit non. Est-ce que vous l'avez coaché? Non. J'ai dit, est-ce qu'elle a fait de elle-même? Oui. Et il m'a dit,